Okay, I've actually decided I'm going to change that picture, going to rescale it down to make it a little bit more accurate for when we start filling in the centre parts. So to do this very simply, very quickly, yes, you've got it in your design tree here, but just double click on it and then very carefully just come down to that top line, goes into there, and you can do the same at the bottom just to bring it in, and then you can move it across. You can play with this for hours and you will never get it absolutely spot on, but I think that's good enough for me, so just give that a big tick. And now in terms of the sketch, I'm going to edit this sketch now. So we've got the outside profile. I'm actually going to do the wall thickness. Now I know that wall thickness between there and there is actually 2mm. It looks different on the photograph because of the sort of lens obscuring what we're doing. I could actually get rid of this, but I think I'm just going to use it for setting out the rest of the product. So we have the fantastic offset entities. Now its default's 10mm. I'm going to change that to 2, and if I click on there, you notice it goes to the outside of the current sketch. Not that good for me, so I'm just going to go to the reverse box, and we've come in. I'm just going to tick that. That's great. I am then going to go to my feature and extrude boss base. Now you notice that's turned up into yellow, and I know in terms of the internal depth of that, according to my vernier, is 8.5. So where you've got 10, I'm just going to highlight that and change to 8.5, and if I'm very clever, you can see that that has extruded, not in the direction I want it to come out of the paper, so I can go to change the direction here, and there it's popped up on the top. So I have created my first set of walls. Now, having done that, as with all injection moulding, there's one thing that I have not done. I've just extruded this straight. It needs to have a draft angle put onto it. So if I go over the boss extrude, right hand click, go to edit feature. Now in the tree here you can see that there's a draft on or off. I'm going to put the draft on, and its default is 1 degree. Now for something this size, 1 degree should be sufficient, but you can change it with the arrows, so I can go up to 2 degrees. I'm going to leave it at 1, tick. So all you'll see, if I just do a quick cut through, which it won't do, there we go. If I just do a quick cut through, you'll see, if I just zoom in there, the walls there have a very slight slant on it, and that's enough to get out the tool. It also means that it's actually slanted on both sides. If you notice, the outside there is should actually be straight and parallel. I can show you how to change that in another video, but I'm happy with that for now.